Why do 70% of people give up on weight loss? We'll share 10 simple tricks to stay consistent and happy. Dance it out. Burn calories by dancing to your favorite tunes. Have fun and get fit. Enjoy meals with loved ones. Share healthy meals with friends and family. It's fun and keeps you committed. Take happy walks. Enjoy a stroll in the park. Fresh air and nature lift your spirits. Have fun cooking. Make cooking an adventure. Try new recipes and cook with loved ones. Engage in hobbies. Stay happy and busy with hobbies. Reduce stress and avoid emotional eating. Stay hydrated with a twist. Drink more water. Infuse it with fruits or herbs for a tasty twist. Prioritize restful sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Boost your mood and support weight loss. Use colorful plates. Eat from smaller, colorful plates. It helps with portion control and looks appetizing. Celebrate small wins. Track your progress and celebrate. Small victories keep you motivated. Practice positive affirmations. Start each day with positive thoughts. A positive mindset is key. Consistency is key. Choose a few of these tricks, stay patient, and you'll see results. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips. You are important. Stay happy. Bye-bye.